Good morning. It's a day like 6 or something like that, and oh, there's a party going down here as we get off to what is this called? Puerto Plata? Puerto Plata with our friends Warren and Kitty back there. Hey. Here we are in these very kind of scariest streets of Puerto Plata. We've already had like 5 people try to give us tours, and one didn't want to take no for an answer. He was just following us around everywhere. But here we're like in the port area. It's not that super pretty, but we'll go back another way. All right, we made it down to the beginning of the fort, and actually this is a really pretty area along the like a seawall or their bay walk. Okay, let's do it. I wonder what it was. That big mountain in the back.
This is the San Felipe Fortress, the oldest in the New World, built in 1577 to defend the city from pirate attacks. Even served as a prison for Juan Pablo Duarte, the father of the independence of the Dominican Republic.
Nobody home? Pretty views. Walking around the Dominican, seeing what's here in Dominican Republic, and finally made it in the city. The Amber Museum.
Lost our friends.
Right there. Can I even see it? Oh, there we go. It's like Jurassic Park.
So, welcome to the Amber Mine. This is an Amber Mine in Biscaya.
Oh, wow.
It's not that
No, it's not that.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Yeah. I mean, it's lighter than plastic even.
Yeah. And if you drop that piece in salt water, guess what? They're gonna float.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah, you said it
But if
floated
you
in
drop
salt
it on
water.
the floor,
It's
gonna
gonna
break.
break.
Finish it.
Yeah. In the Dominican Republic, we have the best factory for cigars, for the best cigars. It means La Aurora. La Aurora is the oldest Dominican cigar factory, founded in 1903. And we have the bands right here. And they are located in Santiago. The factory is located in Santiago. And this is just an exhibition for you to see. So over here, we have the blend. And the blend is, they're gonna roll like 5 leaves all together. They're gonna roll them and then they're gonna put them on the mold over here. This is the mold with the size of the cigar ready. So they're gonna put the blend over there and then put the cup right here and then press it over there for over 45 and 90 minutes. So after they press it, they're gonna take it off the mold and we're gonna get it like this. Wait from that to that one over here.
He's wrapped it in the last leaf there.
Yes,
it's
exactly.
Okay.
And the last leaf needs to be wet and flexible so it can be easy to roll.
It's the tricky part.
This is just the last one. This is just to put the last layer as you can see. So after that, gonna put the label, and this is the label. This is La Aurora 115th edition. This is one edition of the many editions that La Aurora has. 107, the vintage, Los Preferidos, Treasure Bus, a lot of them. So you can see this is the last process over here.
Oh yeah, very nice.
This is the final result.
Beautiful.
Warren is out there negotiating for cigars.
So I started, made 101 pieces of assemblage art, and then I stopped. I think they didn't quite finish it. Something tells me that at the top.
Oh yeah.
That was going to
Or
be
maybe
a
people would go up there, yeah, and drive it around.
So pretty, almost as pretty as you.
Very nice. You're gonna stand over there by it, Warren. Kitty? With him, he says. I can't tell where the painting is and where the shirt is. That's nice. All right, we did it. We explored the outer regions of, what is this even kind of know what it's called again? Santa Cinto, Puerto Plata. The outside regions, yeah, there's all the crazy places, and just only felt slightly comfortable most of the time. Felt in mortal danger maybe once or twice, but most of the time it was good. All right, so I can tell where we walked this morning. We started kind of right down there where that circular building is, and then kind of walked through all of this shopping, and then we had to go out behind by the pool, and then walk all the way down there across this port area right here, where that kind of that long building is right there, and then made it over to the fort, which is there's the fort right there, and then we walked all the way back from there up to maybe where that church is. There's a church right in there, and then just behind that's the Amber Museum. So long walk, I don't know, a mile, a couple miles maybe.
Hi.
How was that trip?
Oh, wonderful. We did
No, your real opinion.
we did almost 15,000 steps, so I'm pretty happy.
How many?
15,000.
Wow, okay. There's no boat there. There's a boat there.
Well, that's scary.
Looking at me.
Great view of the fort. We
Yeah.
should have just stayed here and watched the fort all day.
Yeah, it was really good. Ooh, don't you guys look good? Beautiful view.
Wait for us. Yes.